In the final step of this project, you're going to be working as a financial advisor, looking at different things, helping people decide which should be done. Again, some of the problems that there are. First off, DeAndre is had a dental emergency and he had put $800 on his credit card. Or so you're going to look at two different payment options. You're going to look at a payment option where he pays $50 a month, and you're going to knock that down, subtract that from the end of the month, and then carry that end of the month over to the beginning amount for the next month. On the left side, he's going to be making $50 payments. On the right side, he's going to be making $75 payments. And then you need to calculate how much money he'll save on interest and how many months earlier he would pay off the loan, the credit card. In this problem, we're looking at an individual's looking at a loan for different banks. They're given a formula that you're going to find the total cost of the loan, so you're going to find the interest and then the overall cost, and then you're going to divide that overall cost into a monthly payment depending on which bank offer there is, and you're going to give her what bank she should choose and why, and look at different problems. So you're looking at a 24-month loan, 36-month loan, and a 48-month loan, and looking at the payments that she can make and making that choice.